From palms to pines. Eric, thanks for having me, man.
Yeah, welcome to Freewyld.
I already feel freeing being out here.
Huh?
This is a special place.
Yeah.
And this is all Freewyld?
Yeah, this is all Freewyld. We have 4 design-forward cabins. They're all designed to help you disconnect from technology while you're in the mountains.
But it also feels like it's close to LA, close to Big Bear, Palm Springs. It's like an undiscovered hidden hub.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a village. And the idea behind this as well is we wanted to invest into colors and materials and themes that would be timeless.
Eric, I love not only what you've done with the place outdoors, I cannot wait to see what it looks like inside these cabins.
Well, I can't wait to show you.
You are definitely leaning into the theme and knocking it out of the park, man.
So the whole idea behind Freewyld and its design was to bring in elements from Idyllwild into the cabins. So this one is specifically designed and inspired by the juniper tree that you'll find everywhere throughout this area. I get inspired by the smallest of details. And as I was putting all this together, I wanted to inspire the guests with, the cups that we put into the property, the tile, the reclaimed furniture. And
how about the vintage Smeg fridge there? I love this.
Yeah, that's a fan favorite. Yeah, so here in Juniper, we sleep up to 5 guests. We have 1 bathroom. Every cabin comes with its own private spa.
This is the type of detail, like you said, that I think makes a huge deal when you're a guest. Eric, can you go over all the cabins and some of the amenities of each one?
Sure. We have Black Mountain, which is right next door from here. That's our second guest favorite. That sleeps up to 2 people. That's a studio with a 1 bedroom. Next door to that, we have Coulter Pine, which is our 1 bedroom, 1 bath. That sleeps up to 2 people. And then lastly, we have our 3 bedroom, 2 bath cabin. That's a little bit further down Freewyld. That sleeps up to 8 guests. And that is inspired by the black bear that runs the mountains here that we call Ursus.
It is absolutely stunning out here. And this is all a part of the experience, right?
That's right, yeah. So we call this Wyldwood Park. And the whole idea here is as you're staying at Freewyld, you have access to this beautiful, beautiful park that's designed to disconnect from technology and bring you into this beautiful nature. We have about 1.5 acres of land. So we have everything from a fire pit to a little cafe area. We have a whole farm table in the back and access to Strawberry Creek. And the number one thing that we brought into every aspect of this property is what we call Wyld Mode. And this is our Wyld Box, right? So the whole idea here is that as you're hanging out in Wyldwood Park, you're going into Wyld Mode. We're locking our phones away. We're just being present. Well, this is it. When I enter into Wyld Mode, it'll be okay, I promise.
You sure?
I promise.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Let's do it.
Ah!
That's it, welcome to Wyld Mode.
And what do we have here?
Well, this is our Stargazing Net. One of my favorite things when I come to Idyllwild is just to lay back and stare at the sky. And I built a Stargazing Net to do that exactly.
Eric, I think we just hop on.
Hey, the only rule here is that you gotta act like a kid and have some fun. So jump on there.
There you go.
Oh.
Eric, really, you have done an incredible job with Freewyld, and thank you for introducing me to Wyld Mode, because, brother, I could get used to this.
Lay back and enjoy Wyld Mode.
I don't think I'm leaving.